When you walk into the store to pick coconuts, you should have noticed the green coconuts and the brown coconuts. In this video, I will share how to choose the right coconut and also share 3 tips on how to buy a coconut from the store. If this is your first time watching my channel, welcome to Alchemy. The one you see in this video is a mature brown coconut which has less water than the young green coconut that you see on trees. That is because younger coconuts come with husk attached and is the first stage of coconut. The meat of mature brown coconuts is fibrous and thick, which is useful for making coconut milk, coconut flour, and coconut cream. Tip number 1. When you shake the coconut, you must hear the sound of coconut water sloshing inside. Every coconut has 3 eyes. One of the eyes is bigger than the others and has a more darker tone, and that's the eye that we need to look for while breaking a coconut. Check for signs of cracks or mold around the eyes of the coconut. There should not be any water oozing or white spots around as well. Tip number 3. If you happen to have green coconuts in your store, then pick the round ones rather than the oblong ones because coconut starts off small while growing and tend to get oblong in shape as they mature. Also, round coconuts tend to carry more water and the meat is jelly-like and not as hard as mature brown coconuts. The green coconuts are filled with coconut water and will be heavy. Sometimes you won't hear the sound of the water sloshing as it's full. If this video was worth your time, then check how to cut open a coconut with a knife or learn to make coconut milk. And until next time, see you later.